Let me talk about settings you need to do on your channel to help your videos move faster. Probably you've been posting videos on your channel, long form videos, and then you've been having like 2 views, 3 views, and 5 views, 20 views. Yes, with this particular setting, I'm going to show you a trick on how to get your videos at least recognized by YouTube.
Wow.
How? Because if you are new on YouTube, you don't have subscribers, forget about it. You're not going, it's very hard for you to get a whole lot of views on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you things that you need to do on your YouTube studio while you're uploading. Yes. The first one I'm going to talk about is, okay, before then, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Thanks so much for doing this. Drop a comment where you don't understand and I get to answer you. Okay. The first one is choosing your video category. Okay, this is like a bonus point while uploading. So most times people do you choose, probably you posted something on entertainment and then you choose entertainment on the video category and then uploading. And in your subsequent videos, you didn't check anymore. Yeah, you never checked again. So any video you're uploading, even if you're doing how to grow on YouTube, which is under tutorials, how to and style, is still going to fall under entertainment. So with this, your videos are not going to move as it should. Take note, it's not going to move as it should because it doesn't fall under that category. Mind you, YouTube made these categories so that videos can fall under these categories and then they can choose to push this video to the right audience. Yeah, they will have to push these videos to the right audience. You can take example when you're up on YouTube, you choose to watch a video, probably a movie. If you watch 2 to 3 movies, you see that the subsequent videos YouTube will be pushing to you are going to be movies. So imagine you uploading a video that is not about entertainment and you're putting the name, the category as entertainment. Honestly, YouTube won't add your video to that category to push to the right audience. Okay, now, apart from that, let me go to the first point I'm going to talk about. Number one is getting verified on YouTube. If you've not got verified on YouTube, please go and get yourself verified on YouTube because YouTube might think that you are a bot. YouTube might think that you are not real, so they might not choose to push your video. So if you've not been verified, go to the settings icon on your YouTube studio web interface, go to channel, and then go to where you see verify. Do subscribe, verify the three sections you've seen there. Verify the three of them, and then you are good to go. I'm not going to take much of your time. Then the second thing you're going to do is choosing which people are going to watch your video first. When uploading your video, especially I'm talking about your long form videos, YouTube is going to ask you when uploading the video, do you want this video to be pushed to your subscribers and notify them first? Mind you, you don't have enough subscribers yet. So if YouTube should push your video to your subscribers first, and probably you have 100 subscribers, and most of your subscribers were from your short videos, definitely they are not nobody's going to watch your video. Nobody is going to watch. So you don't need to choose push to subscribers. Allow YouTube to spread the video by itself. So if you choose that YouTube should push this video to your subscribers first and notify them first, this means that a whole lot of percentage of your subscribers, a large amount of your subscribers must watch this video probably to the end, like and then drop a comment on the video. That's when YouTube will know, okay, this video is okay, this video is good, and then they will choose to push this video. But if you choose that YouTube should send this video to your subscribers and none of them watches this video, honestly, you're going to be stuck at either 2 or 3 views only. It will be very hard for that video to get it to its audience. So really, really take note of this. I said I'm not going to take a whole lot of your time. Just 2 things. First, remember to verify your YouTube channel if you've not re-verified. Number two is for you to choose the where you want YouTube to push their videos to. But those that choose for YouTube to push to their subscribers are people that have like over 5K subscribers 10K subscribers and above. But you will lay subscribers not up to 1,000 subscribers. You don't need to choose these settings. That's why most times you post videos and you don't have any views, you're complaining of low views. So allow YouTube to do its work because you are just starting. So if you watch the video up to this point, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. Yeah, turn on the notification button so that my subsequent videos you will be alerted, you will be notified, and then let's grow together to get monetized. Thanks so much for watching my video and have a nice time. Take care.